This recipe is easier than pizza and it's going to surprise you. To start our recipe, we're going to add a drizzle of olive oil to a skillet. Right after that, I'm going to add a red onion chopped. We're going to add a carrot grated. I'm going to add a red bell pepper diced into small cubes. We're going to season with a teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to start sautéing. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching me from so I can send you a special shout out. Today's shout out goes to Emily Rogers from Bakersfield, California. I'm really happy you're enjoying the recipes. Right after that, in a bowl, I'm going to add 3 eggs, 1½ cups of milk, and using a utensil, we're going to whisk well for a few minutes. Have you ever tried making a recipe like this at home? Tell me. I'd love to know. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup of wheat flour. And we're going to keep mixing to incorporate everything. There are steps in a recipe that make all the difference, and this one is exactly like that. As I mix, you can already see how the ingredients blend together in such a harmonious way, creating a creamy, smooth base with a look that already hints at the final result. Even though it's a simple dish with no exaggeration, it impresses before you even taste it. After lightly sautéing the vegetables, we're going to remove the skillet from the heat, and I'm going to pour this sautéed mixture over our batter. Now we're going to add a teaspoon of salt, 3 potatoes grated, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, parsley to taste. Then, I'm going to mix well until all the ingredients come together. I'm sure this recipe will become a classic in your home. It's impossible to make it just once. After getting a smooth mixture, we're going to pour everything into a greased and floured baking pan. Then, we're going to spread the mixture evenly over the bottom of the pan and place it in the oven at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. After that, we're going to take our recipe out of the oven, and I'm going to add mozzarella to taste on top, spreading it evenly over the entire surface. Look how amazing it already looks. Now, I'm going to put it back in the oven at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. After that time, we're going to carefully remove it from the oven. And then I'm going to cut a piece and place it on a plate. I love this kind of recipe because it delivers exactly what it promises. It doesn't require complicated steps, it doesn't need hard-to-find ingredients, and even so, it stands out for its result. The look and the flavor are incredible. I've made it several times, and all my friends and family love it. Make it at home and tell me what you think.